Guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the internship opportunity from ISRO. And if you are doing or if you completed any branch from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, PhD, MSc, as well as BSc, are eligible for this particular internship. The general instructions, if you consider, the candidate should be citizen of India, and if you are pursuing or if you completed the courses in the discipline of science and technology or the which are relevant to the Department of Science or ISRO programs, you will be considered. That means any branch from the courses BSc, MSc, BE, BTech, MTech, and PhD. If you are pursuing these courses, you are eligible for this particular internship. Based on number of vacancies available, you are going to be considered for that particular internship. Instead of waiting till the end, apply as early as possible. As we know, previously ISRO announced a free course called Python, and as number of applications are huge, so because of that, they closed the link before the deadline itself. So that's why apply as early as possible. And the student will be allowed to pursue only one internship for each degree course. And the student will be permitted to carry out internship only at unclassified areas of ISRO. We'll discuss what is that. And the minimum eligibility is we need to have 60% of marks or 6.32 of a CGPA on 10-point scale. And enrolled and pursuing regular on-campus courses only eligible course. Those who are pursuing and those who completed the course after August 2024 also eligible for this particular internship. And when we come to the branches here, as we can see, BTech, Aeronautical Engineering, Aerospace, Applied Electronics Engineering, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science and Engineering, any branch of engineering are eligible to perform to do this particular internship. In the same manner, BE also, and BSMS Chemistry Physics and BSc Chemistry Physics, integrated MSc in Chemistry as well as Physics, integrated MTech any branch, MTech or ME, MSc from these branches, PhD program are eligible for this particular program. And those who are doing PhD, they need to complete their coursework, then only they're eligible for this particular internship. That means in the case of BE BTech, you have to complete fourth semester. That means if you are in third year and fourth year, you're eligible for this particular internship. In the case of MSc, from second semester, third semester, fourth semester are eligible. And PhD, those who completed the coursework, they are eligible for this particular internship. The duration of the internship is minimum 21 days and maximum 45 days here. That means if we have, apart from the educational qualifications, if we have any extra qualification, like any technical skills we have, any certification courses we have, any experience we have, if you have anything, along with the educational qualification marks list, we need to include all these and we need to make a single PDF, and that single PDF has to be uploaded, and the size of the single PDF is less than 1 MB. So the selected students will be intimated by mail only. Whatever the mail is registered with, to that mail only, you are going to get the confirmation mail from ISRO. So when we open the official web page here, as we can see, the last date to apply is 14th March 2025. So as the number of applications are increased, they stopped in the middle. Again, they started here. They're accepting the applications again for this particular internship. And the current slot is May 2025 to July 2025. So in between May and July, you are going to get the internship. Based on your exam schedule, you will decide whether to apply or not. And if you have any queries, you can go through this. And these are the internship instructions what we did now. When we click here, we need to register first. When we click on that, here we have two options are there: create login and reset login. When we click on create login, it will ask you the mail ID. Enter the mail ID, click on proceed here. When we click on proceed, whatever the mail ID we typed here, for that mail ID, you are going to get the confirmation link. Click on the link to confirm your mail, and it will ask you create the password. So once the password you created, again click on login here by using the credentials. So when we click on login, this is the page which we are going to get here. So for that, what we need to have? We need to have active email address and CGPA, scanned copy of photo and college ID card, and scanned copy of college ID card, as well as other documents. So this is the process here. Already we given mail ID and we activated the link. Then we'll confirm the link. At the same time, we created the credentials. So go through all these instructions here. Then when we click on details to be included in the application qualification details, that is details of previous marks list and also previous internship if we have, and details of project work carried out if any, and any other related technical skills or proficiency skills we have, or if we have any work experience, all these information we need to keep ready. So once we kept all these information ready, then click on proceed. When we click on proceed, it will ask you uh, the active internship slot here. As we have only one slot here and we need to use this slot, click on apply now. So when we click on apply now, it will display the general instructions here. and go through all these instructions what we discussed till now. Then click on I agree, proceed. And name of the applicant and name of the parent or spouse, address, district, state, pin code, and phone number. It is mandatory field. And name of the course you are doing here. For example, I am selecting here BTech, and then discipline branch, in which branch you are doing. For example, I am doing computer science and engineering. And duration of the course. For example, so I am writing the July, and then year, 2 month and year. Then status of the course, completed, pursuing, or completed, result awaiting. For example, if you are completed, simply if you have the result with you, select the completed. And if you are pursuing right now, click on pursuing. And if you wrote the final semester but waiting for the result, click on completed, result awaiting. For example, I'm pursuing here, so I'm writing here. For example, I'm in fifth semester, I'm writing fifth year. Then, are you pursuing the course in India? Click yes or no. Then name of the institution, address, then pin code, name of the university, and preferred date of commencement of internship. At in which date you are ready to to perform the internship, and from, and as well as number of days. As we can see here, the minimum number of days are 21 and the maximum number of days are 45 here. So have you carried out internship any ISRO centers? Click yes or no. And then details of academic performance. If you are doing, as we are selected BTech here, percentage in semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, semester 4, semester 5, like this. If you are doing in fifth semester, we need to fill the details up to fourth year. And if you are doing seventh semester, we need to fill the details up to sixth semester. And we need to write the aggregate CGPA in terms of relevant information, if any. Click on save. Then the next page will be opened here. Based on the details we got here, we need to upload all the documents here. Then click on submit. So based on the eligibility criteria and based on number of applications, you may have the maximum chance to get that internship. But the thing is, apply as early as possible. And during the application process, if you feel any complexity, any difficulty, then simply ping me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.